Good morning, students. I am your Maheshwar sir, and I welcome you online MB classes. Children, how are you? How are you? You are fine. Thank you. I am also fine. Children, what are you doing now? You children, you say one by one. What are you doing now? You are reading. You are writing. You are eating. What are you doing? Children, come. It's the time now. We shall discuss your English. Okay? Children, today I shall discuss one activity of your English practice book. Are you ready now? Are you ready to read? Are you ready to write? Are you ready to listen me? Children, ready? Yes. Thank you, children. I love you so much. You are sweet boys. You are sweet girls. Then let's start our activity. Come. Children, it's the activity. You look activity a worksheet 23 is the worksheet 23. Children, what do we learn from this activity? Yes. Children, we learn from this activity what the uses of can or cannot. What we know the uses of can or cannot means it is to express ability and inability. Children, you have ability and you are also inability. Children, look here the activity is. What is the activity? Now children, you look, answer your questions using can or cannot. Understand, children? Children, you say, can you touch your nose? Can you touch your nose? Yes, you can touch your nose. Children, can you drink a glass of water? Children, can you drink a glass of water? Yes, you can drink a glass of water. Children, now in this activity, we have to express our ability and inability. And children, you answer my questions first orally. Yes, I can do, or no, I can't do. Children, can you speak in English with me? You children, can you speak English with me? Yes, you? Yes, you? No. Children, if you can speak in English, you say, yes, I can do. If you cannot speak in English, you say, no, I can't do. Children, let's go. Question number one. Children, you listen me. You look your book. Can you touch your nose? ତୁମେ ତମ ନାକକୁ ଛୁଇଁ ପାରିବ? Yes or no? Yes, I can. You say, yes, I can. Children, can you touch the sky? Children, you say, can you touch the sky? ଆକାଶକୁ ଛୁଇଁ ପାରିବା? You know. So children, you say, no, I can't. Children, can you touch your toes? Children, can you touch your toes? Yes, you say, I can. Children, can you drive a car? ପିଲେ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଚଲେଇ ପାରିବ କାର୍ ଚଲେଇ ପାରିବ you no so children you say no I can't. Next children, can you lift a chair? Children you say can you lift a chair? ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ ଚେୟାର ଉଠେଇ ପାରିବ you yes you no. So children, who can lift a chair? You say yes I can. Children, this is the space, this is the blank space. In this place we have to write yes I can or no I cannot. Children, you remember when we write yes, then we write we can. When we write no, then we write I can't. Children, if you lift a chair, तुम जदि गोटे चेयर को उठे पारुछ ना तुम्हें कौन कहब yes I can. Children, जदि तुम गोटे चेयर को उठे न पारिबो कौन कहब no I can't. Clear understand children. Next question, can you lift a bus? तुम्हें गोटे बस को उठे पारिबो you no. So children, you say no I can't. Children, you write here no I can't like me. Yes or no? Understand? Next question, children, can you bite an apple? Children, you see an apple? Children, it is a fruit. You eat, you like it, you love it. Children, can you bite an apple? You? Yes. So children say, yes, I can. Children, you write, yes, I can. Lady, yes, I can. Children, you look, can you bite a stone? Pile pathar ko kamudi paribo? You? No. So children, you say no I can't. Children, you write no I can't. Pile ethi lekhibo no I can't. Children, can you pluck a flower? तुमे गोटे फूल तोली पारिबो? Children, you yes. So children, you say yes I can. So children, you will write yes I can. Pile tome lekhibo kon yes I can. Question 10, can you eat 50 eggs at a time? Pile एका थरके 50टा अंडा खाई पारिबो? Can you eat 50 eggs at a time? You no. So children, you say no I can't. So children, here you write no I can't. Children, I also cannot eat 50 eggs at a time. Children, so I write here no I can't. You also cannot eat 50 eggs at a time. So children, you write I can't. So children, let's go next. Is the activity 2, writing sentences. Children, now write the answers below. One is done for you. Children, here 10 lines are there. What? 10 lines are given. So here we have to write 10 sentences. One sentence in one line. Children, yes I can toss my nose. This is my ability. Yes I can bite an apple. This is my ability. No I cannot lift a chair. This is my ability. So children, here from 1 to 10, 1 to 10. You have to write only about your ability or inability. So children, no, here I have written, ମୁଁ ଏଠି ପିଲେ ଲେଖିଛି ମୋ ଏବିଲିଟି ଆଉ ଇନଏବିଲିଟିକୁ ନେଇକି ତୁମେ ପିଲେ ଏଟାକୁ ତମର ଏବିଲିଟି ଆଉ ଇନଏବିଲିଟିକୁ ନେଇକି ତମେ ମଧ୍ୟ 1 2 3 4 ଲାଇନ୍ରେ ଲେଖିପାରିବ ହେଲା ପିଲେ। ସୋ नो आई କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଟଚ୍ ଦ ସ୍କାଏ, ସେଠି ପିଲେ ସର୍ଟରେ ଲେଖୁଥିଲେ, ୟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଓରାଲି ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲେ ୟେସ୍ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍, नो आई କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ। ପିଲେ ଏଠି ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା, ଫୁଲ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସରେ ଲେଖିବା, ରାଇଟିଂ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। ସେଠି ଓରାଲି କହୁଥିଲେ, ଏଠି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। नो हियर पुट कमा, ପିଲେ ଦେଖ, नो आई नो आई କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଟଚ୍ ଦ ସ୍କାଏ, नो आई କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଟଚ୍ ଦ ସ୍କାଏ, ୟେସ୍ आई କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟଚ୍ ମାଇ ଟୋଜ୍। ପିଲେ ମୋ ଏବିଲିଟି ଆଉ ଇନଏବିଲିଟିକୁ ନେଇ ମୁଁ ଲେଖୁଛି, ତମ ଏବିଲିଟି ଇନଏବିଲିଟି ନେଇ ତମେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଲେଖିବ, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ବାକ୍ୟ ଲେଖିବ ତମେ ହେଲା। नो आई କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ ଏ କାର୍, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କାର୍ ଚଳେଇ ପାରିବି ନାହିଁ, ତେଣୁ नो आई କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ ଏ କାର୍ ହେଲା। ୟେସ୍ आई କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଲିଫ୍ଟ ଏ ଚେୟାର, ହଁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଚେୟାରକୁ ଉଠେଇ ପାରିବି। नो आई କ୍ୟାନ୍ ନଟ୍ ଲିଫ୍ଟ ଏ ବସ୍, ମୁଁ କେବେ ଗୋଟେ ବସ୍କୁ ଉଠେଇ ପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। ବୁଝଉଛି? ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍, ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ? Yes, I can bite an apple. It is my ability, children. I can bite an apple means it is my ability. No, I cannot bite a stone. ପିଲେ ଷ୍ଟୋନ୍କୁ ମୁଁ କାମୁଡ଼ି ପାରିବିନି। No, I can't bite a stone. So, children, you look. Yes, I can pluck a flower. Children, this is pluck. This is pluck. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଫୁଲ ତୋଳି ପାରିବି, ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ମାଇ ଏବିଲିଟି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, नो आई କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ 50 eggs at a time, ଏକା ଥରକେ 50ଟା ଅଣ୍ଡା ମୁଁ ଖାଇପାରିବି ନାହିଁ, ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ମାଇ ଇନଏବିଲିଟି। କ୍ଲିଅର? ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍? ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ about activity 2. So children, you have to write, you have to fill the blanks here. Okay, so this is about your activity. Let's stop here, and children, you listen. If you like my class, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So children, let's stop. Thank you. Bye bye.